Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. This is Amanda with Crafts by Amanda. Today we're going to make some DIY pebble art. These adorable little birds look so cute in a frame. What you're going to need are some small pebbles, preferably flat, a small piece of driftwood, a branch, some white cardstock, a photo frame, a black fine tip marker, a pencil, and some permanent glue, as well as some gloves. I'm going to start by arranging the driftwood and the pebbles and put them where you want them. Don't glue them yet. Use the larger pebbles for the birds and the smaller pebbles for the leaves. Once you've done that, use a pencil to sketch in the birds' feet and their beaks. Just a simple sketch is fine. Now you're going to take that fine tip black marker and go over the pencil marks with it, coloring in the beaks and making the feet a little bit darker. Use an eraser to get rid of any pencil marks that might be left over. Next, you want to use a permanent bonding glue to attach the pebbles to the paper. We do suggest wearing gloves because it can get pretty nasty if it gets stuck to your fingers. You want to hold them in place for about 10 seconds to allow them time to grab the paper. And just repeat this for both birds and for all of your leaves and your branch. Now you want to take the glass out of your photo frame and insert the pebble art inside. You probably need some cardboard, hopefully it came with the frame, to help secure it in there. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. It's so cute. Thanks so much for joining me. You can find more tutorials on craftsbyamanda.com.